The smart warehouse is the most efficient and modern way to handle goods, which SINTEPLAST will inaugurate in 2019. This smart warehouse will allow the company to increase its distribution from 250,000 to 500,000 liters per day, in addition to expanding the storage capacity of finished products to 13 million liters. The operation of the smart warehouse is 100% automated, since both the location and the extraction of products for the processing of orders are done through a computerized management system, which orders and distributes the entire warehouse with robotic assistance. In the warehouse, there are 10 corridors with racks for pallets in 23 levels of more than 36 meters high. The process begins with the entry of the pallet containing the finished product through conveyor belts that position it in front of a stacker crane, which takes it and places it on the rack. The pallet stacker cranes are 5 in total and can be interchanged between different corridors with the help of a transverser located at the end of the warehouse. The location of the products is determined by the WMS system that works as the brain of the warehouse. For the assembly of the orders, there is a goods transportation system to the 5 large item picking centers, and another with a mini load system, where the batches with small units are located. The stacker cranes take the goods in entire pallets to a system of carts that transports them from the warehouse to the picking stations in the adjacent building. This system of carts has a double purpose: to transport the pallets to the picking stations and then return to the warehouse with the unpicked goods that remained on the pallet. Thus, the unused goods are again placed on the racks. In each of the picking stations, a collaborator separates the amount of goods indicated by the WMS, places them in the position corresponding to the pallet that is asked to be assembled, and validates it. In this way, the pallets of each customer are assembled. This same process is carried out in the mini loads station. The pallets, formed with the orders of the customers, are taken to the loading station of the corresponding trucks, assuring a distribution of up to 500,000 liters per day.